picked up this IKEA lac end table and used some 1x4s, some stain, and a few wire nails to give it a bit more character. I started out by measuring the frame. You could probably get the measurements from the box, but it's always good to double check. The dimensions work out pretty nicely. You can use 6 1x4s with 1/8 of an inch spacing between them and cover the entire table. I cut them down to their size at about 22 inches, and again I used 6 of them. I took my cut pieces over to the tabletop and made sure they fit the way I wanted them to. I eyeballed it, but you can use a nickel, that's about 1/8 of an inch, to space the boards properly. Then I sanded and stained, used 2 coats of English chestnut wood stain, and followed it up with a couple coats of polyurethane. I used some wire nails and just hammered the nails into the board. You could use some clamps to hold them down, but I don't show it. I ended up tacking them down with a couple brad nails from my nail gun to hold them in place. I think the silver head of the nail contrasts pretty nicely with the top of the table. And that's it. I took an $8 table and, in my opinion, made it look a lot better.